In this video, we're going to make a wrench for a lathe, an 1¼ inch wrench. You need to open up QCAD. As you can see right here, I have my grid. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to make the opening for the wrench. The opening for the wrench, I'm going to choose the size of my opening for my wrench. 2 inch with a height of 1.27. I'm giving it 20 thousandths in allowance for the kerf. I will then drop it like so. Zoom in, right click to remove that. Go back to the tool options here. I need to draw a line. Create a line from point to point, intersection. I will bring it up to about there, 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 to there. Right click, draw another line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop it. Go up. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. This time I walk 1, 2. Come over. Drop it in. Go back down to the same plane and drop it on the same grid line. Right click. Right click again. Line from the start. 10 inches in length, drop it there, right click, left click, point to point, end to end, right click, modify round, choose a fairly large radius. I want it a little bit more than that. Undo. 1 inch radius. There we go. Change this 1/2 inch, radius the back, and modify breakout segment, remove that. I have my wrench. So now I'm going to put some text into it. I'm going to go back, text, write in what my tool is, what the machine it's for, height of 1 inch. Select OK. Drop it in. Right click. Highlight that. Modify. Explode. And we're done. That's how you create text. So I can go File, Save As, DXF, remember where you saved it to, DXF, and you're good. I'll minimize that. I'll open up SheetCAM. From here, I will now options, job options. I can set the size of my sheet if I would like. say 20 inches by 50 inches. Select OK. This is the size of my steel. Now I'm going to right click, new part, open my file, make sure it says inch. I want it in the lower left corner. Select OK. There is my part. I'm going to create an operation. I'm going to scribe that lathe in. So I want to edit contours, select only the text. Don't hover over that, or otherwise it will select it for you. Right click, move to layer, create a new layer, name it whatever you'd like. Select OK. Operations, no offset, layer scribe, tool 101, plate marker, no lead in, no lead out. I do like to use the same overcut. I can now view my toolpath, looks good. I'm going to create another operation to physically cut the wrench. Outside offset, layer 0, 45 amp, 3/16 steel. Bring in my lead in. I don't need quite that large a lead in. Select OK, and that looks fine. And I will then move my start point to wherever I see fit. I need to select that layer, drop it in, I'm good. Now I can hit File, Run Post Processor. Remember where you saved it, name it, hit save. You can overwrite a file if you're redoing the toolpath. I've already created this, so hit save, you're good. Replace, perfect.